So I just picked up earlier today a Williams 21 pinball machine. Got it for a smoking deal, $20. Should have given the guy $21. Then it'd been $21 for 21. It's seen better days. I've been cleaning the dirt off the playfield. The glass was gone, and there was enough dirt on the playfield that you couldn't see anything underneath it. It has taken water damage at some point. So, as you can see from there up, all the painted artwork is gone, and then halfway down, it's might as well be gone. A little bit of rust damage here. At least I think it's rust. Might not be. I'm still working on that. The side of the back box. And of course the top, and you can see where the water hit. The boards have split. Let me show you the lower cabinet. So I just got it home a couple hours ago, been cleaning it. It's gonna be going in my garage. It's not staying outside for good reason. And the counter inside, come on, focus. There we go. Over 8,000 games. So I thought that was pretty cool. A little bit of wiring damage up here. A mouse got in there and chewed on a few things. Let me show you the back side of the back box. So inside of the back box, fortunately the back lid was gone, so all the wiring is faded. Can't see any of the colors anymore. The plug connectors came apart really easy. Lots simpler than the one I built. And then the bottom side of the playfield. So, some cobwebs. Still cleaning some of that stuff off. But, yeah. Bottom side of the playfield's clean. It's probably the cleanest out of the whole machine. So, I'm not planning on restoring the machine to its formal glory. I got this for going with my arcade stuff I do for Wasteland weekend. So, I'm going to get it electrically, mechanically working so you can play it. But visually, I think I'm just going to go in and put some clear coat over the top of the wood after I get it cleaned up as much as possible. So pretty much try to lock it in its permanent state. This will be a fun little project. I'll have more videos of this up, and of course if anybody has any questions I will try to answer them, or I guess if you got a suggestion. And I guess stay tuned for more. I'll be putting this video in a couple places. My Facebook page for the arcade, Gilly's Arcade, and then also on my YouTube channel, which is Gillies Arcade and More. I think that's the name. So, and I might even put this up on my personal page. What fun. And only $20. But it's going to cost me more than that to make it work.